The best phones for 2025 are in the S25 line, which has the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. But there have been some heartbreaking leaks about the Galaxy S25 that Samsung needs to address. The S25 line will still get something that the best gaming smartphones may not have. A lot of sources say that the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor will be used in all three phones. The base S25 and S25 Ultra will also get more RAM, which will make them run even faster. The Snapdragon Elite is the fastest chip for a phone, but can the S25 beat the iPhone 16? Just now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset-powered Samsung S25 has been shown off. It is very different from the S25 Ultra in every way. All three phones in the S23 line use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and we got the same results. In single-core tests, it even does worse than the Dimensity 9400 and the iPhone 16's A18 processors. Samsung just tried the Exynos 2500 in the S25 Plus and found that it isn't very different from the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the S25. The price will likely go up because the Snapdragon chip is expensive, and this is the overclocked version made just for Galaxy phones. Samsung is making a special mode for games for the S25 line. The screens on most new smartphones can go up to 120 Hz, but most games can only go up to 60 Hz. That's right, this new feature will boost your game to 120 Hz by adding extra frames, just like the S24 series slow motion feature does. A hands-on leak says that this feature will make it work better and give it the best while keeping the battery life and heat low. Samsung has already added frame booster technology to some of its most recent smartphones, but this new feature will be even better. It will use Qualcomm's technology and will be available on the Galaxy S25 series, so it may only work on Snapdragon-powered Galaxy phones. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.